Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Pancakeswap. In this video I'm talking about the latest update, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, the Pancakeswap price is going down. My friends, that is the latest update. Just look here. That is the last 2-hour price update of the Pancakeswap coin. In the latest 2 hours, you can see, my friends, just look here. In this time the price jumps, the Pancakeswap price decrease. So now a lot of people confused that what should we do in this critical situation. Now again the falls of the Pancakeswap are start. So what should we do? Now I recommend for everybody that it's time to hold. The currently latest price of the Pancakeswap is $14.83 USD is the latest price of the K coin in the market. And 0.81% the price increased just in the last 2 hours. So now the changes is positive. And if the changes is positive, that means that the Pancakeswap price is increased. Every day the price of the Pancakeswap increase, so it's time to hold. If the price increasing every day, every hour, so why you're deciding to sell? Hold it. And my friends, never look this kind of temporary fast, this kind of temporary jump. Just think about a long-term project. Take a target for your Pancakeswap, that and this month they are going to hit a $15 USD, and this month they are going to hit a $17 USD. So that is way to make money with the cryptocurrencies market. Never look temporary fast, never look temporary jump. Just hold it and hold for a long time. Hope they will give you a huge amount of profit. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more updates and news videos about cryptocurrencies market.